Nano UV Dental Cleaner, free adapter. I bought this to use for my whitening trays. It seems to work great. I love not having to use chemicals or cleaning agents. The dental devices taste clean and fresh after cleaning. My only complaint so far is the poor directions which were included are not all that helpful. I am not sure if you are supposed to fill with water if only using the UV function. It is also unclear when or why you would choose to use the UV only setting rather than sonic UV. Regarding those who say it is too small for dentures, I think all you have to do is take out the perforated removable tray and then you have much more room in the tub area to place appliances. Again, the problem is the directions do not address this and I am not positive if you are in fact supposed to run it without that tray. There is number 800 number or email address or website URL for customer service. Laboratory Dental Square Vibrator Shaker Dentist Lab 110V Investment. This investment vibrator has a 8x6 detachable rubber top. Adjustable speed. Quiet motor compact design 110V American Standard Original dentQ product. 500 pieces intraoral dental camera sleeve sheath cover for. Brand new and top-notch new and high-quality dental intraoral camera sleeve sheath cover work for other intraoral camera whose head is less than 50 mm disposable single-use protect intraoral camera. Carayoi portable silver LED headlight lamp for dental. Introduction for dental loop. It is the most popular model among dental students, dental hygienists, and dentists. It has wide field of view and generous depth of field with high enough power for daily procedures. Tip: do not use the plastic shell headlights. Specification for dental loop. Portable LED headlight. High intensity 15,000 30,000 lux. Continuous runtime 5 hour. The power of the LED bulb 1 W. The lifetime of the bulb 10,000 hour. All loops are optional. Very small volume and weight. Battery pack weight 100 G. Charge voltage AC 110V 240V 50-60 Hz. Using the rechargeable lithium battery, lightweight, longevity, and the more comfortable carry. It is suitable for all kinds of surgical operation. Packing list. 1. LED headlight, 1 each. 2. Adapter, 1 each. 3. Battery, 1 each. Flex Zion Commercial Ultrasonic Cleaner Large Capacity Stainless Steel with. An ultrasonic cleaning is a process that uses ultrasound and an appropriate cleaning solvent to clean items. The ultrasound can be used with just water, but use of a solvent appropriate for the item to be cleaned and the type of soiling present enhances the effect. Cleaning normally lasts between 3 and 6 minutes, but can also exceed 20 minutes, depending on the object to be cleaned. The ultrasonic cleaning process provides high-quality cleaning and exceeds, by ease of use and end result, conventional cleaning methods. The tiny microscopic bubbles generated by the transducers provide cleaning of very difficult, irregular, and complex parts. Even inaccessible areas can be cleaned without any trace of physical cleaning. Special for cleaning electronic tool, jewelry, glasses, dental instruments, lab instruments, hospital instruments. Specification package content. Crest White Strips Dental Whitening System, 56 strips. Crest White strips are the easy way to get whiter teeth in just 2 weeks. These thin, flexible strips conform to the shape of your teeth, and are coated with a gel that contains hydrogen peroxide, the same enamel-safe ingredient used by dentists for teeth whitening. Wear Crest White strips just 30 minutes, twice a day. Simply place the gel side of each strip against your front teeth and fold the rest of the strip behind your teeth to keep it in place. In 2 weeks you will have noticeably whiter teeth. New clinical results prove whiter teeth for 12 months. Each box contains 56 strips, 28 for upper teeth, 28 for lower teeth. The secret to a whiter smile is in the strip guaranteed. Snug Denture Cushions 2EA by Mentholatum. My mother has been looking for EZO denture cushions for months. We found that many other people were also looking without success. My mom tried various alternatives, none of which compared to EZO until finally we stumbled on Snug. My mom is delighted. I don't think she'll be eating any more soup or oatmeal for the next 2 years. Cushion Grip Thermoplastic Denture Adhesive 1 ounce. One application holds dentures up to 4 full days. Cushion Grip Denture Adhesive controls loose dentures by reducing looseness and shifting, and a single application lasts up to 4 days of daily cleaning, soaking and brushing. Won't wash off in water. Even after repeated cleaning, Cushion Grip Denture Adhesive remains soft and pliable. Recreates a secure seal each time you reinsert your dentures. Cushion Grip Denture Adhesive is safe for all plastic and porcelain plates. Cushion Grip Denture Adhesive lets you control loose dentures so you can feel comfortable and secure.